Hi, my name is Colin and I'm the founder of Dropboard. Dropboard aims to be the friendliest hiring platform. This means our product is easy to use and we're just a step away if you need any help or have feedback for us. Before jumping in, I want to share a few ways that people are using Dropboard. Brick and mortar businesses are using Dropboard to put branded job openings on their website. Small businesses doing in-house hiring are using Dropboard as an efficient and cost-effective alternative to big box applicant tracking systems. Recruiters use us to work with their clients and to give them tools for managing jobs and reviewing candidates. Job board entrepreneurs use us as their platform for their niche job sites. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of Dropboard. Let's create our first job. We'll create a front-end developer position and we're going to let AI write this for us. AI will write a description, responsibilities, and qualifications for us. And from that draft, we can make edits and tweaks. You can even add custom sections like company information, perks, benefits. In this case, we may want to add a tech stack section. And we can share that so we can use it on other jobs. On the right-hand pane, we have other options such as whether or not to leave this job open, leave it open for a specific time frame, set a compensation or various locations. And we'll save our job. There are three basic ways you can showcase your jobs. One is through the public link that Dropboard provides. On the ... menu, you can open this link here. This is a great option to give you a permanent link to each job that you can post on other job boards. Another option is to create a Dropboard that you can embed on your own website. This is a good option to put open jobs on your careers page. And the third option is to upgrade to our recruiter plan, where we'll give you a white labeled portal to host your jobs on your own domain, such as our demo right here. Let's take a look at this from the candidate perspective. When they hit apply now, the application panel will slide up for them to fill out. They can upload their resume in any format. We're going to automatically convert that to PDF for you for easy review. Right now, we're just showing the default options, but you can customize this application form and add any kind of questions you want, multiple choice questions, file attachments, etc. They can include an optional cover letter and submit their application. They get a success message that you can customize, and they get an email confirmation that you can customize. Let's take a look at how your hiring manager receives a notification about this new candidate. As a hiring manager, this email comes into my inbox and I have everything about this person right at my fingertips. I can also go back into the Dropboard interface. And when I click on this person, the panel slides up. I can scroll through their resume again, no matter what format they originally uploaded it in. Everything they submitted is on the right here. I can take notes, including tasks or lists. I can see what other jobs they've applied to or apply them to other jobs. And I can easily move them through the hiring workflow here. The database view makes it easy to search and find candidates. And the board view gives you a bird's eye view of all your candidates and where they are in the hiring process. You can easily drag someone to a new stage. Workflows can be customized with whatever steps you need, and you can set up email templates so candidates are notified when they reach certain stages. There's so much more to Dropboard. I encourage you to check out our other videos to go over some of the other aspects of the platform. And lastly, I want to say that we appreciate you and we really want to make sure that you're successful with Dropboard. So please do not hesitate to contact us for help. We're going to get you set up.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check Lifetime Deal link in the description below.